Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or disallow websites to check if Apple Pay is enabled on your device on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Safari. In the Safari setting page, go down to the Privacy and Security section, and on the last option in this section, tap on Check for Apple Pay. So tap on the switch to turn it on or off. If it is turned on, then it allows websites to check if Apple Pay is enabled and if you have an Apple Card account. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.